old St. Augustine Road, Tallahassee. See these trees? Very, very cool. Today's Wednesday, December the 18th, 2024, 8:46 Eastern Standard Time, as we come up to a light. See that road, that tree across the road right there, and here comes another one. And you can see it's a very foggy day, so that looks kind of neat. Yeah, more neatness through here. Some limbs over the road. Fall color through here. Yes, they are. More fall. Well, I think this might be a neat area. A little bit of canopy through here. Fall collar and some canopy.
Very pretty.
I've been watching these clips. There's no place to pull off on this road, so it is a driving road only. So you just have to come through here and GoPro it like me. Alright, so it's changed to Canopy Road. And you can see right here is a nice one.
Lots of fog.
Yep, the fog definitely frames it. Kind of had that doorway feel. Some sticking over the road. Color there. A half dead tree, looks like. And it's going to end right down here. So that'll be the end of this section of the video. Let's go see what else we can get into. Alright, so we were on our way to our next spot and we got detoured. So we came to this. It's got a nice reflection. Just wanted to share that, and you see the fog way out there in the distance, so it's letting up. It was worse earlier, but still got a nice look on the picture. All right, we've come by this place here and seen all these beautiful trees again on our way to other things. This was not a planned stop, but just look at these gorgeous trees. You see this one right there. Isn't that one very nice too? Out here by the road are these. Then on out by the road out there, you see is all those. And then these two right here that were right behind me. You see those leaves, I mean those branches, and how far back they go, way past my head. And then back there, past that steeple, look at all those branches up there, and then even those over there. Beautiful little area right here, let me tell you, surrounded with these things. Alright, so to add to the video, we're still in the same place, and you can see these trees from a different angle. But I'll come back here to capture these. And again, all these limbs and all these boughs, everything in these trees is just so wild. Gorgeous, gorgeous trees. And just to show you, fall color right there. Remember, it's December the 18th, okay, in Tallahassee, Florida. There's fall color all over the place here. I'm amazed at how much there is. All right, we're gonna go to another place and see what we can find. All right, we're on Micosukee Road. That's the name of this. I can't make that up. And mainly for this section right here, this is the Canopy, the Greenway, is what they call this, and it's pretty well trafficked, so, you know, I can't really get it untrafficked. So we'll just take what we can get. Look at that nice limbs on that one. Very nice tree. All right, walk down here just a little closer, get you to this gigantic tree here. And you can see this is a beautiful setting. Got these tall trees there, and then right back here, got that one. This great big one right here. And a little bit of canopy going that way, that guy goes. And a lot of traffic, so I'll let you see the traffic. And you see that canopy looking area down there, right about where that truck is at right now. Not a bad setting, huh? This is the Micosukee Greenway Trail, is what it's called. And we just come from the start a couple minutes ago. We're not going to go very far. We just came to check it out, see what it looks like. A little tiny bit of fall color there. You can see it's a nice wide dirt trail, some little gravel in it. Right beside Micosukee Road is, if you hear them cars off to the right, that's where I had just taken some video of the canopy out there, so I'm right beside that is where I'm at, in case you're wondering. If you look all through there, you can see that it's a very foggy day, so the trees do have fog in them as you look all the way through here. So we'll go through here and see what we can find. Right over there, something interesting before I shut this off. See all the green on that old dead tree there? So that's pretty neat. And then the birds are singing. Let's listen. But they went very distant. There, I hope you pick those up. See those crosses right there? You have the trees crossing each other, is what I'm talking about. So we'll go look and see what we can find here. Now these aren't the fantastic trees that I had hoped to find. If you look through here though, you'll see some fall color in that area. And then around here, I mean, the trail goes on, and you can see there is a canopy down there. So with the fog and everything, it really dresses that up nicely in this view. And then over here to the left of me, it's pretty wild. Got a lot of vines and stuff coming down from this tree. I see a squirrel way up there. And that is where we came from.